I've been recently seeing ads on YouTube and on the news about the latest push by Republicans and Trump to come after trial attorneys like myself. See, what I do is I represent plaintiffs. I represent people who are injured by other people's negligence. My name is Garrick McFadden. I'm a Phoenix car accident lawyer with the law firm GAMESQ. And I represent people who have been injured. Some of them have been seriously injured. Some of them have been more than inconvenienced. But I represent people who have been harmed because of the actions of other people, because of the actions of corporations. I make sure that people fight and get the justice, the medical care that they deserve. But right now, a bunch of MAGA Republicans, or just Republicans in general, and Trump are trying to take on my profession. And a lot of these people that enabled Trump to do this are other car accident lawyers, right? I say that because I was the vice chair of the Arizona Democratic Party in 2020. I served on Governor Katie Hobbs's transition team. I was the first Black man to do that in Arizona's history. I have held a lot of positions in politics. So when I say that the majority of the people who advertise on television for car accidents or on billboards support Trump, that is a true statement based on my experience of being in the political arena. And now that Trump is in office, largely supported by a lot of these car accident lawyers, these other trial lawyers, he is turning against them. And we've seen it. We saw what he's done to Elon Musk, right? Elon Musk got Trump elected, and now he turned on him, just spitefully getting rid of everything, right? We see it in Cuba, how Latinos for Trump, and now he is deporting family members of leaders for Latinos on Trump. We see it all across the board. And now these car accident lawyers here in Arizona who gave money to Trump and his friends are now being attacked because the rich corporations, the insurance companies, the insurance lobbyists have targeted people who are injured. I'm not going to say that there's not any validity. There are some lawyers who exploit the situation by sending their clients to get medical treatments that they don't need. That is just not medically required, or they drive up the cost. But as we do it, as we know here, those are outliers. What is more of the norm is people, when they're involved in car accidents, are injured. At my law firm, what I do is I send people to their primary care physician and then let their primary care physician coordinate their treatment, right? I am mindful, because I represent a lot of Black people and non-white people, that Black people tend to get the short end of the stick when it comes to healthcare. So I'm very proactive in helping my clients advocate for treatments that they deserve. But that is not that often that I have to do that. If you were injured in a car accident here in Arizona, give me a call. At my law firm, our motto is your injuries, our fight, your win.